I am pleased to share this information that the Department of Biosciences, Salim Habib University, is going to organize 14th Biennial International Conference of Microbiology. This conference is organized in collaboration with Pakistan Society for Microbiology. During this conference, academicians, researchers, and postgraduate students are going to share their knowledge and the latest developments in the field of microbiology. I am informed that the delegates attending this event are from the different parts of the world and also from within the city and the country. Such events provide an excellent opportunity to researchers and scientists to share the knowledge and to discuss their research with the galaxy of experts. Attending such conferences broaden the network of researchers and help them to discuss and develop collaborations with seniors working in the area of their research. I urge all the young scientists and researchers to get registered to attend the sessions of their choice and increase the breadth of their knowledge. I wish good luck to the faculty and staff of Biosciences Department and the entire team of Pakistan Society for Microbiology for organizing this event on this very campus. Thank you very much.